Mastering Rapid Memorization, the ultimate step-by-step guide to memorize anything 10 times faster. Get ready to turbocharge your memory skills with this super fun and easy guide. Become a memory whiz. How to remember anything super fast. Step 1. Make a memory palace. Pick a place you know well, like your home. Give each room a topic or category to remember. Step 2. Think in pictures. Turn what you need to remember into wild, wacky images. Place these images in the rooms of your memory palace. The crazier, the better. Step 3. Link them up. Connect each funny image with the stuff you need to remember. The sillier the link, the more it sticks. Step 4. Get acronym happy. Turn tricky info into a catchy word or phrase using the first letters of key points. Step 5. Chop it up. Break big info into bite-sized pieces. It's like turning a long story into easy-to-remember snippets. Step 6. Use all your senses. Mix in smells, sounds, and feelings. It's like creating a 3D memory experience. Step 7. Practice makes perfect. Keep going back to your memory palace. The more you visit, the stronger your memory gets. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be remembering stuff 10 times faster in no time. Dive in, have fun, and watch your memory skills soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Give it a try, folks.